Want to bring massive sound to every party and adventure? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Boom 2 Bluetooth speaker, featuring powerful sound, deep bass, and immersive audio. With its waterproof and floatable design, vibrant LED lights, Bluetooth connectivity, long battery life, and portable build, it's perfect for parties, outdoor adventures, and everyday entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Boom 2 Bluetooth speaker, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. The speaker delivers powerful, punchy bass with clear highs and balanced mids, creating an immersive listening experience. Whether indoors or outdoors, it easily fills the space with loud, energetic sound that enhances every beat and detail of your music. It's designed to keep the energy high and the sound consistently rich, even at higher volumes. Built with a rugged and durable waterproof body, this speaker is designed to handle splashes, rain, and poolside fun without worry. It's made for outdoor adventures, so you can take it to beaches, camping trips, or hikes with reliable protection against water and dust. Enjoy extended hours of non-stop music on a single charge, making it perfect for long trips, parties, and outdoor use. The efficient battery ensures you stay connected to your favorite tunes throughout the day without frequent recharging. Featuring fast and stable Bluetooth pairing, the speaker connects effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or other devices. It provides a smooth wireless experience with minimal dropouts, so you can enjoy uninterrupted music anytime, anywhere. Technical specifications. How to pair? Begin by downloading the Soundcore app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for accessing full functionality, including sleep sound controls, customization options, and future firmware updates. Once installed, open the app and allow any required permissions for a smooth setup experience. First, press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Upon initial power on, the speaker will automatically enter Bluetooth mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or device, search for the speaker in the available list, and select it to complete the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup and customize your sound, lighting, and other settings for the best experience. You can choose different sound modes, adjust lighting effects, and tweak basic preferences to match your style and mood for a more personalized listening experience. How to use? Connect the main speaker to your device, then press the PartyCast button until you hear a prompt and the button light turns white. Make sure the second speaker is disconnected from other devices, then press its PartyCast button until you hear a prompt and see the white light. Wait for the pairing sound to confirm successful connection. You can also connect more compatible Soundcore PartyCast 2.0 speakers with the same process. Press the Light Show button to cycle through 7 different LED lighting effects that sync with your music and create a lively party atmosphere. The dynamic lights add extra energy to indoor and outdoor listening sessions. To turn the lighting effects off, simply press and hold the Light Show button for a few seconds. How to charge? Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port of your speaker. Connect the other end to a power source such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the charging indicators will show the charging status, so you can easily track progress. It usually takes around 5.5 hours to fully charge. For best performance and safety, use a charger with a power output between 0.05 watts and 15 watts. Safety tips. Avoid overcharging. Keep away from water damage. Use certified chargers only. Avoid extreme temperatures. Handle with care. Store properly when not in use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.